A car was completely burnt to ashes in the Balidum area on the way to Kailashahar from the Dharmanagar direction of Unakoti district. The driver is currently undergoing treatment at the district hospital in serious condition. Incident occurred at Balidum Kailashahar area. According to sources, the Alto Car met with an accident at Balidum on the way from Khorang to Kailashahar before reaching Unakoti Kailashahar from the Dharmanagar direction of Unakoti district. After the car arrived in that area, it collided with a hill. Immediately upon impact, the car caught fire and was burnt to ashes. Local people rushed to the spot and rescued the driver in an injured condition. Meanwhile, the injured driver was taken to the Unakoti district hospital in Kailashahar for treatment. The driver is currently undergoing treatment at the district hospital in serious condition. Reported by Uttam Dev from Kailashahar, Chini Khorang.